Hi everyone, this is Surbhi from Digification. Let's see how you can connect your custom domain to Shopify store. For this, first when you're registered at Shopify store, once you go to Shopify store, you'll see this setup guide. In setup guide, once you scroll, you'll find this option add a custom domain. Click on this. Click on add a domain. Here you'll see these two options, buy new domain, but if you already have existing domain which you have already bought, click on connect existing domain, type your domain name. So I've just copy pasted my domain name here, click on next. You can also see the video. Now you'll get two options whether you want to connect manually or automatically. Manually you can do it via putting some records at your DNS, and we can also connect automatically. Let's click on connect automatically. This will take you to your GoDaddy domain place. Make sure you already are logged in, and it will automatically identify that domain from your list if you have many. Click on connect and you'll see this message that you're already done, and close. It'll just verify the connection. You can check the status here. Let's see this. Alright, now it's saying that A and CNAME entered incorrectly. So if you see this, domain connection is incomplete right now. So it's saying that you need to change the A record. Right now our A record is this. We want this value which is of Shopify. I copy this A record, go back to my products. Now here we'll have to go to our DNS settings. In your domain settings, you will find your A record. If you see, my A record is right now this, and I need to change this value to this one. If you see this, copy this required value. Let's check A record. All right. We go here, edit this, change the value, and click on save. This might take some time to change. You'll see this, it's success, and you'll see this, it might take an hour, like an hour or 48 hours, but usually it happens within that time. Let's try to verify the connection. Looks like it's verified, and only our SSL is pending. So here if you see that connection is verified, and you have these options, which is your pacificorganic.india.com, and then if I want to check this, I can check now. I already have my, what you can do is I can just check this. Let's copy and let's view. Right now, since my store is password protected, otherwise if you can see, my domain is being mapped to my Shopify store.